The Tennessee Department of Health says statewide there is a lack of education about mental health and a stigma surrounding asking for help. That's why they are increasing awareness. And Ashley Sharp joins us live with how they're teaching people to recognize and intervene in those situations. Good morning, Ashley.
Well, Casey, good morning. The Tennessee Department of Health says despite the overwhelming number of deaths by suicide statewide, that tragedy is hidden behind stigma and shame. That's why the department has started a new program to emphasize early intervention and getting people help when it's first needed. They're targeting people who they say are on the front lines of defense and recognizing the warning signs. Those people being teachers, first responders, and medical officials like EMS and nurses. Those are the people who they say can really notice when someone is in a crisis mode and can intervene to help that person. The response is called the Mental Health First Aid Program, and it's a free course that's teaching these people how to recognize the red flags and warning signs like a drastic change in behavior and practicing unhealthy coping mechanisms. Dozens of school systems, EMS officials, and police departments have already undergone the training right here in the Tri-Cities alone. The Department of Health hopes that this is something that will spread throughout the entire state of Tennessee.
Mental health problems are very, very common. They're very common in our country. And if we can address them early and get people the help that they need, there's cure, there's hope, there is maintenance, there is normal.
I spoke to Chuckydoke High School as all Greene County schools have been going through this training, just one of many Tri-Cities region school systems involved. Their principal tells me after losing a student to suicide last year, they realized that teachers needed more training to be confident that they can step in and help their students when they notice warning signs. And you'll hear more from Principal Shelley Smith later on this morning. Reporting live in Johnson City, Ashley Sharp, News Channel 11 in your corner.
Thank you, Ashley. One of the things the program is teaching these teachers and first responders to look for is a change in behavior and a reliance on unhealthy coping mechanisms.